loves. I hope you all are doing well. I know I've been MIA for a very long time and a lot of you were sending me DMs regarding the updates on YouTube videos, so here I am, the most requested video. So many of you had DM'd me regarding some good skincare products, some beginner skincare products, something which is good for teenagers or middle-aged, college-going girls, everyone. This skincare range is for all skin types. Each and every skin type can use this range, and the best part is it is pretty damn affordable. So yes, without any further ado, let's get started. I'll quickly update you about the price range. This entire skincare range contains 6 full-size products and which retails for only 3,000 rupees. And yes, I am saying only 3,000 because it has 6 full-size, really amazing products which are going to last you a very long time, and the quality is unmatchable. These 6 products are so close to my heart, you guys. I've been using them from a while now and you guys can definitely see my skin has improved a lot. So the first product in this entire range is the Saffron Cleanser. This is the Saffron collection by the brand Luxurious Adore. I also have a discount code with them, that is Alisha15, and you can use this code on their website and avail some extra discount. So talking about this cleanser, this is a very lightweight, gentle cleanser which works well for all skin types. For girls who are having sensitive skin or are teenagers, school-going girls, college-going girls, this is something very nice. And the best part is all these products are available as a kit together as well as available separately. So if you feel that you won't be using a lot of product, a particular product, you can skip that and buy each of these products individually as well. So this is the cleanser. I use it like a normal face wash. It is not extremely foaming because it's very gentle on the skin. Now I'm going to show you the texture of the product. So yes, I take very little quantity. I gently massage it in circular motions and I use this product twice a day. It has this brightening formulation which actually makes your skin super duper bright. It does not make your face dry, dull or stripped down. It is my absolute favorite face wash till now. This wash has skin brightening and anti-dullness properties and it generally makes your face super duper glowing. So I love to use this every day. I'll also be sharing the products in the order of how you have to use them. So the first step in your skincare routine always has to be a cleanser. The next product in your skincare routine has to be a scrub. Most of us have dead skin cells, so I absolutely recommend you to try this saffron scrub. It is too good, you guys. I cannot stress enough about this. It is so gentle, so mild, and the fragrance is just amazing, you guys. You'll try it once and you will never ever change your scrub. I am so much in love with this product. It instantly brightens up your face. It looks like you've just got a facial. You look super duper glowing, and trust me, this fragrance, these products have just my heart. The fragrance in these products have my heart. It is not overpowering. It is so soothing. It makes your skincare process so therapeutic, you guys. So this is how the product looks from the inside. This is the texture of the scrub. It is so mild, you guys. I am in love with this product. I own 2 of these scrubs. And this is how it looks on the back of my hand. You gently have to massage it and these beads will gradually dissolve, and all you have to do is massage it on your skin and then just wipe it off with some water. This product is so good, you guys. I can guarantee you are going to love this. So do give this one a try. If not the entire range, just this product, because I swear by this scrub, no other scrub is comparable to this. Not at all. But the next product in your skincare routine has to be a face mask. A face mask usually calms down the skin, helps in tightening up the pores, and also makes our skin super duper glowing. The face mask again in this collection is made of saffron. That is the main ingredient, and that was a much loved face mask by me, but I accidentally dropped it and the bottle broke down. So yes, I do not have the face mask anymore to show you guys the texture, but trust me, you guys, it is too good. So I'll insert a clip right here so that you can see the texture of the product. It is really good. Next product in your skincare routine has to be a toner. A toner is the first layer of hydration which goes back on your face after you've cleansed it. This toner has a very fine spray and it's super duper relaxing to use it. I've used half of this bottle. It's a much loved product and I'm sure I'm going to run out of it super duper soon. I absolutely love using this toner, so do give this a try. A lightweight formulation which is used as a moisturizer. After using all the scrub and the cleansers, of course it is going to take away the natural oils in the skin. So you need to put back hydration right there. And for that, the next step is going to be this jelly. This is how it looks from the inside. This works well for all skin types because it's a really lightweight formulation. I am personally from the dry skin category and it is really hydrating. Take a little bit of this jelly and massage it well into your skin. The best part about this entire range is that it's made of saffron, and saffron is really the best skincare ingredient you guys can find anywhere. It is so well formulated that no skin type will have any issues with this. It is so affordable, so easily available and just amazing, you guys. I cannot tell you enough about this. I've been using this range for over 2 months now and it is so deeply loved. I use it every time doing my skin. Next and the last product in your skincare has to be a skin elixir. This is again the saffron elixir by the same range. It is a very lightweight formulation. This is how it looks from the inside. It is liquidy like water. And it is a transparent, translucent sort of an elixir. It is really hydrating and also cures pigmentation and also helps in spot treating your face. So wherever you have a lot of pigmentation, you can spot treat it using this elixir. It is a very lightweight formulation, just like water. A few drops of this elixir, as you can see, it's a runny product and you have to just warm it up between your palms and tap it on your face and you're all set to go. 6 products I wanted to talk to you guys about. These products are really affordable and you can also use my code Alisha15 for some extra discount on your purchase. These products are available on the website of Luxurious Adore. I will leave the link in the description box so you can easily click and find these products. Also, these products have a very mild fragrance which is super relaxing and makes the skincare session really therapeutic. They are not overpowering on your skin and they do not affect your skin at all. All these products work well for all the skin types, so you do not have to worry about it. All you have to do is buy them individually or as a set, but I definitely recommend you to buy the entire range because these products are formulated so well with each other that if you use the entire range, you're going to see a much better and visible result in your skin. So it's always better to buy this entire range. Again, it's just for rupees 3,000 and it's not something extremely expensive. It is a good investment in your skin. So do invest in your skin, you guys. It is extremely important. Only then will you see a visible difference. Especially the saffron cleanser, the saffron scrub and the saffron toner are the 3 products I swear by and I cannot do without these. Something I'll go and buy again and again. So yes, I highly recommend you to try this. All the links will be in the description box below so that you can buy them individually or as a set. I'm looking forward to hear your reviews in the comment section below. Let me know in the comment section below which more videos you want to see and I would love to do them for you. Till then, take care, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel.